Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set Google as your homepage in your Microsoft Edge browser. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So how do you go about doing that, guys? Just simply go ahead and click Windows key on your keyboard or your taskbar, and you can simply type in Edge, right? You'll find the Microsoft Edge browser. Go ahead and open that. Now, once you're inside the Edge browser, guys, click the three dots on the upper right hand side, click on Settings. Right now, from here on the left hand side, you will see the Start, Home, and New tab section. So click on that option there. And here under the Open These Pages, you can go ahead and you can make sure that this one is checked, and you will have pages there underneath. Now, as you can see, I already set this to Google, but in case yours is showing something else, you can click the three dots, edit it, and you can simply type in google.com like I did here, right? Simple click and save, and that will basically set it. Now, once you go ahead and close out of your Edge browser like I did and reopen the Edge once more, you will see that it now set Google as your home page, and that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.